Welcome back everyone, my name is Brandon Haneline, your Jeep informant, and today I have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL body. Now we're going to be taking a closer look at the fuse bar that's located in the PDC and how easy it might be to pop one of these large fuses. Now in a previous video I showed you with both positive and negative terminals disconnected that there was still live voltage on the system. This could lead to one of those large fuses being popped. Now if you were to take the positive battery terminal off and lay it over here to the side and it were to hit one of these AC lines or anything that is grounded, one of these fuses here has the potential for being blown. Now let me try to explain this a little bit better here. This very first post here is directly connected to the large battery. So when the positive and negative are removed from the large battery, remember we still have voltage on it, but where is that voltage source coming from? It's actually coming from this number 5 post, which is directly correlated with the auxiliary stop-start battery. Now with that having 12 volts on it, that means that the rest of these have 12 volts on it also, including the positive battery terminal. So if the positive battery terminal were to touch any ground of any sort, it could definitely potentially pop one of these large fuses. Now what kind of condition would you have if one of these fuses were popped? You may have a battery light on, a stop-start light on, the vehicle may not even start possibly. Just depending on which fuse is blown there. So if you've just had work done by someone, then and afterwards you have lights on that you didn't have before, definitely check these fuses and see if any one of those fuses are blown. Now if one of them is blown, then the whole fuse bar has to be replaced. Just be careful guys, make sure you disconnect it the right way. The best way I have found out to do it is to disconnect both negative terminals from the battery, or go over here to the side of the fender on the right side and disconnect both of those negative terminals. Either way will completely disconnect both batteries. So I hope this helps, and I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you're smarter now than you were before when you started. Thank you all to my patrons, and y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time.